Hi rail fans, how you doing? This is Getting Back on Track with Steve. My name is Steve, and I'm going to start this video channel with a nice little introduction so that you guys can follow along as I go down this happy path of adventure. My dad gave me his old HO scale train set, and I kind of threw a oval together and had so much fun with it. I thought, something a little bigger and a little more interesting might be a great thing to do. So I've got this big basement. I'm building out a 15-foot by 16-foot layout that will go all the way around it with a peninsula in the middle. And I thought it might be a lot of fun to post videos of my progress. Maybe do a few videos on working on locomotives, on laying track, doing scenery, learning bench work and electrical. So if you'd like to follow along and watch me have either a great layout or a total train wreck, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I'll be posting follow-up videos as I go through this whole thing, and hopefully you'll join me. We'll have a lot of fun. So until next time, we'll see you back here, Getting Back on Track.